The Volvo S80 II, produced from 2006 to 2016, comes equipped with standard halogen high-beam headlights, though some models offer optional xenon systems. Understanding these components is essential for safe driving. Key features include the standard halogen bulbs, which provide bright illumination, and the optional xenon system for enhanced visibility in higher-end trims. Here are the main components. The headlight assembly diagram shows internal mechanisms, a halogen bulb with its filament, the complete headlight housing, and the dashboard controls for operation. To activate high beams, pull the turn signal lever towards you. A blue indicator light will illuminate on the dashboard. To deactivate, simply pull the lever again. Some higher trims have an automatic high beam feature. If equipped, the system uses a sensor to detect oncoming headlights and automatically toggle the beams. If manual, control beams manually. High beams are designed for maximum visibility in low light conditions, specifically on unlit roads with no approaching traffic. Avoid using high beams in urban areas or when other vehicles are nearby to prevent glare. Briefly flash high beams by pulling the lever towards you without holding to signal or provide short-range illumination. High beams provide significantly more light than low beams, giving better visibility on dark roads. However, low beams are designed for normal driving conditions to avoid blinding others. High beams also create a glare zone that can blind oncoming drivers, leading to dangerous situations. Always switch back to low beams as soon as you see another vehicle approaching. Improper use can cause accidents. The Volvo S80 II uses H7 halogen bulbs for standard high beams or D2S bulbs for xenon systems. Halogen bulbs typically last between 500 and 1,000 hours of use, requiring periodic replacement. To replace a bulb, first open the hood to access the headlight assembly. Carefully remove the old bulb, then install the new H7 halogen or D2S xenon bulb. Always test the high beams after replacement. Perform voltage checks to prevent bulb dimming and extend lifespan. Over or under voltage can reduce brightness and life expectancy. Use a multimeter to test the electrical system. Halogen bulbs in older vehicles like the S80 II fail 25% faster than average. Expect about 2 replacements per year at a cost of $50 to $100 each. Always consult your owner's manual for detailed instructions. Common issues with high beams in the Volvo S80 II include halogen bulb failure and faulty headlight switches. Let's examine these problems and their solutions. One common issue is halogen bulb failure. If your high beams appear dim or stop working entirely, the bulbs are likely the culprit. Halogen bulbs have a shorter lifespan, typically lasting 500 to 1,000 hours. Another issue could be a faulty headlight switch. If the switch fails to toggle between low and high beams properly, it may need inspection or replacement. Regular inspections can help prevent these failures. It's worth noting that Volvo issued a recall in 2013 for faulty headlight switches in certain S80 II models. This recall addressed toggling failures that could prevent proper switching between beam modes. Modern vehicles increasingly use LED high beams with automatic leveling and glare-free zones. These advanced systems adjust beam height automatically based on road conditions and create glare-free zones to protect oncoming drivers. Aftermarket LED retrofit kits are available for older cars like the Volvo S80 II. These kits can upgrade halogen headlights to LED, providing improved visibility, energy efficiency, and longer bulb life compared to traditional systems. However, when retrofitting, ensure the kits meet local safety standards. Always check for DOT certification to ensure the headlights provide proper beam patterns and don't create excessive glare. This maintains both safety and legal compliance. Always prioritize safety by using high beams responsibly. Misuse of high beams contributes to 15% of nighttime crashes, according to ENSA data. Maintain your headlights regularly to ensure proper function. Check bulbs and electrical connections as shown in the wiring diagram. Understand your vehicle's high beam system, including how to toggle between low and high beams manually. Adapt your driving to current road and weather conditions, using high beams only when safe and necessary. Exercise special vigilance with manual systems like those in the Volvo S80 II, where automatic features may not be available.